I'm so happy to be here today. Actually, I was in Santa Cruz and I have to rush home, charter a taxi, and get back to be here today. And I know everybody else here today is very happy to get the call. When I get the call, I was overjoyed, knowing that I had something to start to rebuild. I want to thank the Prime Minister and Colonel Charles Jr. and everybody who made this possible, that we can be in somewhere comfortable again. Thank you very much.
God bless the Prime Minister.
Time really flying up, when we look back on what happened, time really fly.
I could remember when Minister Charles came around, sent around the trucks with the food stuff. We were so glad. We were so glad for it because we need it. And I'm giving him thanks, and may God bless him and keep him, and may he continue his good work.
So today was a success. And we started the allocation of our $10 billion program, ROOFS, Restoration of Owner Occupant Family Shelter. Our grants are out and moving. That's a commitment that we made. It's a commitment that has been fulfilled by your government, the government that cares, and that we show that by talking about it, by getting things done. So, minor 75,000, major 200,000, and severe 500,000. 50 persons in the severe category have received their grants. 1,234 others, particularly those who are senior citizens and persons with disabilities, have received theirs, and another 20 received prepaid cards to get out and get their grants. So again, a big thank you to all who have supported. A big thank you to all who have cooperated and coordinated with us. We have much more work to do. We will get it done. The story of Brandon is one that is moving, inspiring, encouraging. In the middle of the storm, you never understand how persons with disabilities are impacted. Persons with disabilities have a wide range of different, unique circumstances. And we got a call, Prime Minister, maybe about 1 a.m. one morning, that there was a young man who was trapped in his house and needed support. And it is the partnership between Jamaica, the US, who provided some airlift support with the JDF team, that we were able to go in. Ms. Corodas was a vigilant advocate. I think we were on the phone for hours trying to make this a reality. Cooperation to successfully rescue Brandon in the midst of this storm, to save him from what could be from Melissa. And he's here today to collect his check, and as a testament of a government that not only cares in words, but cares in its strategic